In this video, we're going to take a look at your new College and Career Readiness course that has been created for you in Schoology. Everyone in grades 9 through 11 has been assigned to a College and Career Readiness course that is separated by homerooms. If you can please travel up to either your Courses tab or your course dashboard and find the course that's called College and Career Readiness course. And your section might be different from student to student, but it's the same by homeroom. So go ahead and open up that course. In this course, you're going to find 3 folders. The first one's Getting Started, setting up and maintaining your CCR portfolio. The second one is Artifact Submissions. The third one is your Career Plan Submission folder. Go ahead and open up Getting Started, setting up and maintaining your CCR portfolio. In this folder is where you will find all different types of information that can help you create your college and career portfolio, publish your Schoology portfolios, how to access and upload an artifact in this course, and basically the information that you're reviewing today. If you go back to the main page, you will find in the Artifact Submissions folder a list of assignments where you'll be submitting your artifacts for each marking period by block. So for example, if you have a block 1 math class for marking period 2, you would click on the marking period 2, block 1 artifact. This part here where it says grade will vary by your grade level, and you'll submit your artifacts through that assignment. The other thing that you'll find in this folder are assignments that relate to grade-specific activities. So for example, Junior Achievement STEM happens in 9th grade, and all 9th graders will have that reflection in their artifact submission folder. Going back up to the main page, on the 3rd folder, you'll see Career Plan Submission. Again, this is an assignment with your career plan embedded into it. The career plans do vary by grade level, 9th, 10th, and 11th. And this is where you will travel to complete that portion of your college and career readiness. Going back to the main page, just take a general look at all the things that are in your course. You will be able to track sort of your own grades in CCR by clicking on the grade button and viewing the assignments. You get 1 point for each assignment. It's how we will track to make sure that you're keeping up with your planning for college and career readiness. Last but not least, the other portion of this course is maintaining your college and career readiness portfolio. Portfolios can be found underneath your name in the top right-hand corner. If you click that caret, go to your profile, come over underneath your picture on the left, select Portfolios, and then you can select your college and career readiness portfolio. In here, you'll find your artifacts from anything you've done prior, and all of your artifacts that you will add this year will get added to your portfolio as well. If you don't have a portfolio yet, you will see a video on how to create that. That's it for taking a look at your College and Career Readiness course.